Modern Slide Shower is a GPU-accelerated image viewer written in Python. It features large playlist support, smooth transitions, and unique full-screen interface. Image switching. Here's a sample folder with nearly 10,000 random photos. Let us see how we can view these photos. You can use usual methods to switch images such as mouse scroll or left and right buttons on your keyboard, as well as a space bar. But you don't need to press any button or even use mouse scroll. To switch to the next image, all you do is move your mouse cursor clockwise. If we pop up image information, you can see it by the change in image index in the current folder or image index in the whole list. To switch to a previous image in the list, all you do is move your mouse cursor counterclockwise. The switching types feels very intuitive once you get used to it. While on the topic of switching images, there's another, even less intrusive option. Auto flipping mode flips images for you with a speed you can change on the fly. To increase image switching speed, all you do is move your mouse cursor right or upwards, or both right and up. To slow down image switching, move your cursor down and left. You can do so up to the point when switching reverses. Of course, you have noticed an image switch indicator in the lower left corner. It shows how soon the next image will be shown. Navigation. To navigate around the image, just drag it with the left mouse button. To zoom in, hold right mouse button and drag upwards. To zoom out, drag downwards. You can even rotate image visually. To do this, keep both right and left mouse buttons pressed and drag your mouse. In this video, you see mouse cursor just for demonstration purposes. When using program in full screen mode, mouse cursor is never shown, so it won't distract you from viewing your images. Now let's go to the full screen mode. Here, the only thing you see is your image. If you are stuck helpless, press F1 or H to see basic hotkeys. For instance, there's the I hotkey. It shows basic image information. If you press I once again, you'll see another window showing image rotation angle and zoom. Let's zoom this image to extreme. You'll see strange patterns emerging. That's not a bug, it's a feature. It shows you gradients of brightness between different pixels. These lines are not encoded in images, they are generated based on actual pixel brightness. They show you image areas where pixels have exact same brightness, as opposed to areas where pixels differ in brightness at least a little bit. Now let's press the S key to consider settings. By hiding image borders, you concentrate on the image content rather than its sharp edges. Therefore, it is advised not to see borders unless you really need them. Transition duration lets you tweak how long one image transitions into another. Don't worry, this won't slow you down, so feel free to set it to high values. Transition speed will adjust to image switching speed, so that when you switch faster, transition will get faster as well. Blurring images makes transitions even smoother. It does not affect performance, so set it to any value you like. Zoom of new images is another option to tweak switching animation. Last option lets you tweak what you see in extreme zoom. In addition to rotating image by arbitrary angle, you can rotate it in 90-degree increments. To do this, use comma and period buttons. If what you are watching is a JPEG image and you have it installed free JPEG Tran utility, you can then save that rotated image without quality loss. To save such an image after rotation, just press Enter. Now let's consider more advanced transformations, which include resizing, cropping, and arbitrary angle rotation. Press the T button to see Image Transforms interface. Here you can rotate image, crop it, resize it, and change its aspect ratio. To apply transformations, press Enter. Transformed image you see now is still saved in memory. To save it on a disk, press F9 or F12. F9 saves image with the name suffix, so it won't replace the original. F12 saves image with replacement. Another useful feature is levels and color correction. This module lets you tweak image brightness, contrast and saturation, as well as applying simple color grading. Levels correction works as in any other image editing program. In addition, it lets you change saturation before and after tweaking levels. You can switch before and after modes by pressing semicolon. To apply levels, press Enter. To make changes permanent, save them with F9 or F12 button. That's all for image editing and viewing for now. But what if you don't have any image to view and edit? Well, you should still try Modern Slide Shower. Run it inside an empty folder or pass an empty folder to it, and you shall see famous Mandelbrot set. Use your mouse to navigate it as any other image. You can press A to enter automatic zoom mode and Z to enter automatic move mode. With both modes enabled, you can watch endless show on Mandelbrot randomness. To make automatic movements slower or faster, use left and right square brackets. Happy viewing! Download link in the description.